Sorry, what were you saying? I'm really tired and I'm thinking about something else. No, I do want to listen. I love listening to you. What was I thinking about? I was thinking about how much I love you. No, I'm not sweet talking you. And genuinely, I'm just like, I just find it crazy that one night we were just hanging out as friends.